everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carla Mingo and I am back in the kitchen today to cook some Brussels sprouts, something healthy for your family and for you. I typically have done more decadent foods that are rich and that we love, those southern classics, but today I'm going to do something a little bit lighter and a lot more healthier for you. I'm going to show you how to make Brussels sprouts very simply in the oven, very quick. It's so easy and I'm sure your whole family will love it. So yes, I will still do those videos that we all love, that good southern cooking. I'm still going to do those videos, but I'm also going to include some healthier options as well. We really have to learn to eat healthier and take better care of ourselves, and I want to give you options as well. If you guys have not, please hit that subscribe button below. Please like and comment, and I hope you're enjoying my channel. So before we get started today, of course, you know, we always wash our hands. How are you guys doing today? Are you guys staying in and staying safe? I know that I am staying in. I only go out when I have to go out and just really doing my part. So we will get through this. All right, so let's get started on those yummy Brussels sprouts. Okay guys, so let's get started on these Brussels sprouts. This is going to be so quick and easy. You will have these done in a blink of an eye. So we're going to start with our fresh Brussels sprouts. They look like little cabbages. I have about 13 of these here, so it'll be 26 once I cut them in half. And I'll show you how to cut those and everything. So Brussels sprouts, you're going to need some kosher salt, garlic powder, olive oil, pepper, a little balsamic vinegar, and some Parmesan cheese. The entire recipe will be below my video, so you'll have all the measurements that you need to make this wonderful dish. So yes. So the first step in preparing our Brussels sprouts is that we're going to actually cut the ends off of these. They have like these little nubs on the end. So you're gonna actually cut that part off, okay, like that. While I'm doing this, I have my oven on. I'm heating it up right now to 425 is what you're going to cook these on. You want to cook it on a high heat because you're kind of like broiling them. So you want it on a high heat. So 425, I will go ahead and get that oven hot and ready to go. Okay, so I've cut all of the nubs off of the Brussels sprouts. I'm going to set those aside, and now I'm going to make my seasoning mixture. So the first thing I'm going to do is put in some olive oil. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay. 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Love the way garlic smells. That smells so yummy. A 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm not going to measure this, you guys. I know about what a 1/2 teaspoon is. So a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So next is a 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper. Going to mix all of this up together. It's a little thick, and if it is a little thick, I probably put a little bit more cheese. And so if you want it just a little bit runny, what I do is I add a little bit of balsamic vinegar, which gives it like a nice little tang to it. I would say about 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. Mix that up real good. You can add a little more olive oil if you want, if you like a little bit more of a glaze. So just add a little more oil to that. So the very next step is you take your fresh Brussels sprouts before you cut them, and you just put them inside the mixture like this. Just pour that all in. Then you're going to mix them up together. mix this sauce all over your Brussels sprouts. It smells so good. Once you get them all coated, you're going to take like a cookie sheet and just line it with foil. Then you're going to take each Brussels sprout and you're going to cut them in half and place them on this cookie sheet. So you'll take out your Brussels sprout, you will basically cut it in half. Like that. You will place it on this cookie sheet. Really simple, you guys. You want to be really careful not to cut your hand. And then after I place all of these on the cookie sheet, I'm going to put drizzle some additional seasoning on top. So now I have sliced all of my Brussels sprouts in half. They're laid on the cookie sheet. They're not touching. And I still have this Parmesan cheese mixture. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the Parmesan cheese mixture and I'm just going to kind of put a little bit on each one just so that it'll each have its own little flavor. Just a little bit. Just put a little bit of cheese. This is going to be so delicious. The cheese just really gives it a nice flavor, and the balsamic vinegar really gives it a really tangy taste to it. Okay, we're ready to put these in the oven now. My oven is already preheated to 425. We're going to bake these for about 20 minutes. They are going to be delicious. So yes, I'll show you the end result as soon as they're ready.